Hey guys, it's Dan from DG Undead Forge. So today I'm going to show you how to build this bolt together forge stand. So you might have bought yourself a forge online, or you followed my upcoming video on how to build a very simple DIY propane forge, but you need a stand to put it on because you don't want to be on the ground, bending over, hurting your back, trying to take a piece of metal out of the forge and then putting it on the anvil and hitting it. I'm going to show you what you're going to need. First off, what you're going to need is some drill bits. You're going to need an 1/8 inch drill bit to start the holes. You're going to need a step drill bit, a 3/8 inch bit, countersink bit. Besides the drill bits, you're going to need yourself an angle grinder, a few cutoff discs, and a flat disc so you can clean stuff up. You can in fact use a hacksaw. It'll work, it'll just take longer. You're also going to need a file to round off the corners and smooth off stuff. You're going to need an electric drill, tighten your bolts and nuts. You're going to need Allen keys for the top. You're going to need a 7/16 wrench for your 1/4 inch bolts. You're going to need two 9/16 inch wrenches. You're also going to need a center punch. This one's a spring-loaded one. It's much easier to use. This way, your drill bit, once you put it in, it won't want to wander away. You're going to want to have a tape measure. You're going to need some 3/8 inch bolts, 3/8 inch nuts, some 3/8 inch lock washers, some 3/8 inch washers, 1/4 inch tapered screw with nuts. You're going to need eye protection, hearing protection, respiratory protection. A dust mask will work. Use a piece of wood when you're cutting so you don't cut into the ground. As you see here, got a piece. Measure the width of one wall, mark it like you see here, and then cut it so that way you're able to have it fit flush. I don't have enough regular angle iron, so I use some bed frame. The 4 legs of the assembly, the bottom feet, bottom adjustable feet, the top adjustable feet, 4 16-inch cross pieces, bottom 16-inch cross pieces, 24-inch top cross pieces, bottom 24-inch cross pieces with the flap. We're going to use the pre-existing holes in the legs to mark the center hole with a 3/8 inch drill bit. When drilling, make sure you use plenty of lubricant, such as mineral oil. To assemble, you're going to start with your legs. You're going to attach the top and bottom adjustable legs. Start them on the ground. You're going to line things up. Get yourself a square to make sure when you bolt everything up, it's nice and square. So now we're assembling the other piece. And make sure when you're assembling, tighten it, but not too much until you get everything square. You're gonna get your 24-inch bottom cross piece. You're gonna attach that. Then you're gonna get the other side. You're gonna balance on your foot and attach it. You're gonna attach the other sides. Get a bottom cross piece, your bottom 16 cross piece. Then you're gonna get your top 24-inch cross pieces. Make sure you have enough room for your bolts and wrenches. Then we're gonna get working on the tabletop. We're gonna measure the bottom, use the outline to trace it. Use a square to trace it. Make sure you clamp it when you're cutting it. Gonna cut the excess pieces. Once you're done cutting the excess pieces, you're going to grind the edges smooth, and you're also going to use some sandpaper. For the tabletop, evenly space out the holes, drill them, use plenty of lube, then you're going to countersink them.
That way. Perfect.
Then you're going to screw all the tabletop bolts together. The forge stand has bottom and top adjustable legs, so it'll make it easy for leveling on uneven ground.
Bring this up.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to leave a comment what you guys think about this. Also, check the link in the description for my PDF plans that are much more detailed than this video was. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be showing you the next upcoming video how to build your own super simple Venturi burner, and after that I'm going to do a video showing you how to build a super simple forge. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, and have a good day.